Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your browser and signing in, then go straight to Google Slides and choose blank or a template. Name your file immediately so autosave tags changes to the correct document. Once done, pick a theme and master layout to establish consistent fonts and colors. Make sure to enable offline access if you might be away from the internet. This prevents data loss. These initial choices speed up later edits and keep every slide consistent across the presentation. Now build your content slide by slide while keeping structure in mind. Start with the master slide to set reusable layouts so you don't reformat each page. This saves minutes on every change. Insert images, charts, or videos using insert or drag and drop, and resize with corner handles to preserve aspect ratio. Use keyboard shortcuts, duplicate slides, add links, and create new slides quickly so you maintain flow. Once content is placed, use alignment guides and grouping to keep visuals balanced and readable. Finish by rehearsing in presenter view to see your speaker notes and check timings. This helps you pace delivery. Share the file with collaborators and set appropriate permissions so edits or comments don't get lost. Make comments directly on elements that need change. Export to PPTX or PDF when required for distribution, and test the exported file briefly. If something goes wrong, refresh the tab, confirm you're signed into the correct account, or restore a previous version from version history. Those steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.